Hi, my name is Portia. This is my busky for Bang Charity. Thank you. Love was the former owner, quiet as renting our house. He sinks my lips from speaking, forms a sarcastic smile. Suspense now raise one of your eyebrows. You asked me if there's someone else. I replied yes, hell yes. You ask me if it's another man, I say no. You laugh and say, is this a woman? I say yes. Surprisingly, you ask me for a honey's name, and her name is me, and she loves me more than you'll ever know. And I finally see that loving you and loving me just don't seem to work out. So patiently, she's waiting for me to tell you that she needs love and to choose between you two. Boy, you know if I had to choose, I'd choose me. I gotta go with me.